Starting off with just nothing but dirt here it's been a great progress made so far, and really quick compared to what as much work that they've gotten accomplished, and especially with the winter that we've had, losing a few weeks there. But we've really made some strides, and we've finally got something to look at, and a lot of people are getting really excited about seeing the progress that's being made right now.
We have as you go into the entrance of the building, a new triple arch entranceway, which will give the building a really good look out to the quad. We have balconies on the 4th floor facing both east and west. The bottom of the building, we have a limestone facade. On top of that would be the brick, and then we have the stucco plaster on the very top of the building. In the front and back, we'll have a stone cast concrete that will really give the building some pop.
Right now, all the plumbing and HVAC and electrical work has been roughed in. We have the finished package will start soon, so we'll start bringing all the mechanicals to each office, each classroom, on each floor. The finishes should start happening within the next 30 days. We'll start putting in sheetrock, and obviously the flooring and ceilings will go in systematically.
The building should be completed sometime around the end of the 2011, beginning of 2012 time frame.